Hello Terminator fans. We have an exclusive, 5-minute interview with our favorite man-killing machine from the future, Terminator T-800. He is back again, in the new post-apocalypse blockbuster, Terminator 5. As you know, he is very old now, and he has taken serious damage to his frame in earlier installments. Also, he has lost nearly all of his living tissue, and his legs were too weak to chase, or to protect John and Sarah Connor again. So Skynet equipped him, with all-terrain tracks. So, are you still a cyborg from the future in this movie?
I'm a cybernetic organism, Cyberdyne Systems Model 101. My CPU is a neural net processor, a learning computer.
What about Connors? Are they finally safe?
That's one of my mission parameters.
Could you tell us more?
Negative.
Okay, but you will show us how you stay in shape after so many years in movies.
Correct.
I knew it. I knew it was coming. But this is not the future my mother warned me about. And in this future, I don't know if we can win this war.